Louis here, Bearable Traders, and I want to do a quick recap on I traded with BABA today. I was just looking around for something else to get into, and I come across BABA, and really I'm looking at the 1 and 5, which is the main two charts that I have up. I'll have two charts per screen type of thing. Anyway, looking at the 1 and 5, and all I see is a bunch of chop, but then I look here, and it's like it's riding the support of the 200 and the previous close. And I switched over to the 2 minute and I'm seeing the same thing, and just for giggles, which I've started using the 15 minute more lately because it really tells a good story. But what I see on the 15 minute is I'm seeing a wedge. Now when you see a wedge, it's eventually on the other end of that wedge, it's going to do something. It's either going to go up or go down. It doesn't just sit across and sit at a level and stay there. The other thing I see is I see a hammer doji. This hammer doji, that's a very bullish sign. And the other thing too is you got the 9 and the 20 are coming up to this 50 moving average, which when they have a cross, that's another good sign too. So anyways, that being said, I'm watching this, and it was around here somewhere. I call it in the room in this area, right in here. It's things are crossing and it's gonna go, and I probably could have got in here, but I wasn't sure what I was gonna do yet, so I just waited to hear, and I still had a decent entry, you know, and 2 minute. Oh, I guess 2 minute doesn't really matter too much, but the 5 minute, if you're watching this and you watch the 5 minute, it's gonna tell a story to get in. It does tell the story. But before that happened, it wasn't telling me nothing. Really, you look at this and well, there's a possibility, right? But this here, this 15-minute chart, I'm using this more often now, thanks to Roberto and his theories for getting into setups. So anyhow, I just scaled out, and this is a big move. This is over $1 move to here to here. I had a couple extra, took out a little bit too much down here than what I should have. But all in all, it was a decent trade. So that's the gist of it.